The AirGuard has a state-of-the-art 3-stage air filtration system that removes oils, water, solid particles, and unpleasant odors. The air filter maintenance of the AirGuard is dependent on the quality of the air supplied by the compressor. Naturally, over time, these filters will degrade and require replacement. NFPA recommends the replacement of all 3 filters each time filter maintenance is required. On the larger 30, 50, and 100 CFM units, there is a visual indicator on the middle of the coalescing filter. During normal operation, this indicator is green. Once the indicator turns red, all the filters must be replaced. NFPA offers 3 different kits for filter replacement depending on the CFM of the unit. Each kit consists of 3 different filters. Replacement filter kit part numbers are as shown. After opening the AirGuard enclosure, the filter train is located on the upper left-hand side of the enclosure and consists of 3 filter bowls, along with the pressure regulator. Going from left to right, the identification is as follows. Position A contains the 5-micron filter, which is a pre-filter. Position B is the 0.01 micron coalescing filter, which is a secondary high-efficiency particulate filter. Position C holds the charcoal absorption filter, which absorbs odors. Finally, we have the adjustable pressure regulator, which controls the CFM output to the respirators. Each of these filter bowls are easy to remove. Before replacing the filters, disconnect position A and B's drain tubes by pulling up on the Tygon tubes. To remove the filter bowl from the air train, push the filter bowl up in towards the top of the sample train and then twist left, which will release it from the assembly. Then pull down. Make sure to clean the filter bowl by removing any moisture or particles. After removing the filter bowl, the filter component will be accessible. For position A, the 5-micron filter, twist the scalloped black plastic connector to the left at the base of the filter. Rotate and remove. Place the new filter on top of the connector and twist right until secure. Next, reattach the clean filter bowl. Align the bowl, then push up into the housing and twist right until it stops. This will be tight when installed correctly. Reinstall the Tygon tube drain into the left port. For position B, the 0.01 micron coalescing filter, twist left until released. Then simply replace with a new filter. Reattach the 0.01 micron coalescing filter bowl. Align the bowl with the housing, push up and twist right until it stops. Reinstall the Tygon tube into the right drain port. For position C, the charcoal absorption filter, twist to the left until released. Then replace this with a new charcoal filter. Once again, align the bowl, push up, and twist right until it stops. Double check the connection of each filter bowl to make sure that they are secure. Reattach the compressor line and mask. Then adjust your regulator to the pressure set point and check for any leaks in your filter bowl areas. Once you've completed changing all the filters and have checked that the filter bowls are secure, you may now return the AirGuard to active service. This completes NFPA's AirGuard filter replacement process. For any questions, feel free to contact us.